traders, or good morning depending on when you watch this video. Welcome back to Candlesticks Trader if you're a member, and hearty welcome if you are new here. In this channel, we break down everything that you need to know about the stock market. The content will be simple, insightful, and at the same time engaging. Now, let's take a quick look at what happened in the market today.
So I had a couple of trades in Nifty today. So then the opening candle itself, since it was a completely bearish candle, I shorted 25,300 call option. That is one strike above the current price, and I covered it around 24,055. And then I waited for market to take support either at 24,055 or 24,000. You can see the line analysis that I've done. And correctly, we got a pattern here. And now I've taken a long, and that's already up quite some more points. And I expect that it will come to around 24 to 32 types. I'm just now trailing it at my cost, and let's see what happens at the end of the day. So one was purely a breakdown trade, pullback trade, and then since the trend is up, bullish engulfing came here, and I'm long about that. And we have now double inside bar, triple inside bar. So one of those bars should be very high or very low, depending on where the market makers want to take it. So anyway, I'm safe now. So it's my cost, and I'm holding on to it. This is one of the trades that we did today. It is on Solomon Nas, and the stock gave a superb breakout, and then we waited for a good candle to form on a pullback, take long, which happened in this hammer. We went long over the hammer, 1302.5, and stop of 1291, and our first target is achieved, which is at 1330, and our ultimate target is 1342. Where it looks like the stock is pretty much headed there. We're just trailing the stock right now. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon right currently.
Someone might have been. Chasing a fading light. In the pit, souls cry out loud. From the clouds to the ground, numbers dance in my head. Vision stained markets bled. Bearish waves crash the shore. Lost the gains we had before. Trades cut deep like a knife, caught in this market strife. Oh, oh. Shorts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. Oh, oh. Shorts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Oh, oh. Crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. Charts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Ooh, crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. In the pit, souls cry out loud, from the clouds to the ground. Numbers dance in my head, vision stained, markets bled. Hello! Perish waves crash the shore, lost the gains we had before. Oh, someone might have been. Oh, crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. In the pit, souls cry out loud, from the clouds to the ground. Numbers dance in my head, vision stained, markets bled. Bearish waves crash the shore, lost the gains we had before. Trades cut deep like a knife, caught in this market strife. Oh, charts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. Oh, charts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Oh, crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. Charts like ghosts haunting screens, echoes of what might have been. Ooh, crafts bleeding in the night, chasing a fading light. In the pit, souls cry out loud, from the clouds to the ground. Numbers dance in my head, vision stained, markets bled. Hello! Perish waves crash the shore, lost the gains we had